Dear students, I am Santan, working as a physics faculty in Target English Medium School. Today, in this part 2 video, I would like to explain about formation of image by a plane mirror. Is nothing but when you place or you put a point size object or an extended object in front of a plane mirror, which type of image will be formed, what is the characteristics of the image, or what is the nature of the image will be formed. That is, we are discussed in this part video from the chapter of reflection of light at plane surfaces in 8th standard level. Okay. So in our previous video, in the same chapter, I clearly explained about what is the image, how when the image will be formed, how many types of images are there, what are the names of that one. That is nothing but real and virtual image. So, and what is the differences between real and virtual image? So, which mirror or lenses will be forms the real and virtual images? That is, we discussed in our previous video clearly. So, I hope every student will be understanding that video. So now, continue for this one. So, our topic name is formation of image formed by a plane mirror. So, under this one, first of all, we are discussing that when or if we can write that, if we placed a point size object, if we placed a point size object in front of a plane mirror, if we placed a point size object in front of a plane mirror, so which type of means how the image will be formed and what is the nature of the image, that is we discussing that. Here, instead of the horizontal mode, we can fence in the vertical mode, because of everyone will be know very clearly. So in our houses, okay, we are use the plane mirror as a looking glass or looking mirror. So the mirror is always keep onto the vertical wall. That's why we can see like this one. M dash is represented the which one? Plane mirror. So point size object is nothing but just like we consider a spherical shape of the ball, that is either rubber or metallic ball. Now we can take a spherical size of shape of the metallic ball. So here we are observing that a point size object is nothing but a spherical shape of a metallic or rubber ball we placed in front of a plane mirror. So, for example, like this one. It is the object. Which type of object? It is a point size. Point means generally we put like this one. Means it is shape is the spherical shape like that. That's why we can take the spherical shape of a metallic or rubber ball. It will be placed in front of the reflecting surface of a plane mirror. Now, okay, I will draw this diagram in the two ways. First, you are consider means from this object number of rays will be fall on this one. Some rays will be fall normally, some rays will be fall like different modes are there. Okay, but anyway, now first one point we consider from this point. Okay, two rays will be fall on the plane mirror. So two rays will fall onto the plane mirror from this point. Okay. Like the same way, one more point we can say at the bottom. So after the reflection, we know that these all are reflected rays. These four are incident rays. But here you are observing that after the reflection, they never meet in front of which one? Reflect plane mirror. Is it correct or not? So all are parallel to each other. The parallel rays are never meet. So that's why where the image will be formed in front of the plane mirror, image will be formed? No. Why? Because how we can say that means we know that when you can stand in front of a plane mirror, our image will be formed inside the mirror. It is nothing but behind the mirror. That's why this object image will be also formed where? Behind or inside. But where means now these two. So that's why it is the image. So this way. So here is object, here is image will be formed. So we know that. Okay. So what we know that previously I said that in the previous video, the differences between real and virtual. After the reflection or refraction, the rays are really meet. Which image will be formed? Real appears to meet virtual image. Here, after the reflection by the plane mirror, the rays are never meet, but appears to meet at other point. That's why here, which image will be formed? Characteristics or nature of the image. Nature of the image or characteristics of image. So simply we can say that virtual and erect image. Second one, image formed behind the mirror. Image formed behind the mirror. Next, third one. So which type of image we seen? Virtual and erect image we seen, and image will be formed not in front of the plane mirror, it will be formed behind or inside the mirror. Not inside, behind the mirror. So, and one more thing, what is the shape and size of the ball? The same shape and size will be also appeared in this one. It's nothing but when you can stand in front of the plane mirror, what is your height? Your height of the image is also same. What is your size? Size of your image is also same. It's nothing but the size of the image is same as the size of the object. That's why size of the image equal to the size of the object. So this type of nature or characteristics we are observed when a point size object is placed in front of a plane mirror. Next, second one. If we place extended object, if we place extended object in front of a plane mirror, like this one. So extended image is nothing but, we are considering the two modes. It is nothing but, it is not a point size or spherical shape. It is some erected like a human. We are considering a tree. We placed a candle. We placed a stick. We placed a book. Like this, all are extended image. Or we placed any alphabet letters or any numerical letters except the zero, like that one. In case of alphabet, O is nothing but it is O is appears like a point size object. That's why. So if we place an extended object is nothing but we place a person or a tree or a candle or a alphabet letter or a numerical value, whatever that may be. So generally the extended object we consider like this one. Okay. Or instead of this one, simply sometimes they are asking that for 1 mark, draw the 1 or 2 marks. Draw the image of this letter they are given below letter. For example, you are considered any one of the letter. For example, I will be considered the letter B here. So I will be considered the B letter. So in this one, from here and here we can set that. Say like this one. So we know that when object is placed in front of a plane mirror, it is appears to which mode? Reverse mode is that is called lateral inversion. Is nothing but left is appears to right, right is appears to left. So listen very carefully here. The nature of the image formed by the extended object formed by a plane mirror. What is the main difference we are observing when we place an extended object or a point size object? An extended object. Sorry here. That's why for the point size and extended object, one small difference you are observing that in the point size object, what is this nature? Virtual, erect or upright image. Image will be formed behind the mirror. Size of the object is the same as the size of the image. Both the size of the image is the same as the size of the object. But in case of an extended object, for example, if you are one of the person or you are considered as an object, you stand in front of a plane mirror. At that time, our image will be formed behind. That's why virtual and erect image will be formed. Image will be formed behind the mirror. And what is our size? Same size will be formed in the mirror. And one more thing is also observing that left is appears to right, right is appears to left. Is it correct or not? So it is when you are observing that this is the right, it is the left. When you can stand in front of the plane mirror, so right is appears to left, left is appears to right. That is you are observing in case of which one? Extended object. That's why the letters are appears in which mode? Reverse mode. virtual and erect or upright image. Second one, image formed behind the mirror. Image formed behind the mirror. Third one, size of the image equal to size of the object. Fourth one, special. Okay, it is not observed in the point size, we are observing only in extended only. That's why. Laterally inverted or lateral inversion. Laterally inverted. So laterally inverted means right is appears to left, left is appears to right. That is called lateral inversion. So this type of nature of the image we are observing when we place an extended object in front of a plane mirror. So instead of this letter, when you draw the diagram, you are using the any one of the letter. Choice is yours except O. O and A also. Sorry, sir. O only. Next one. Okay. What is the lateral inversion we are discussing? Lateral inversion. Left is means the object left is appears to right and vice versa. Standing or not? Okay. So when you can stand in front of a plane mirror, our left is appears to right, right is appears to left. That is called, what is that one? Lateral inversion. The right appears to left and vice versa. Vice versa means left is appears to right. Okay. When image formed by the plane mirror, that is called, what is that one? Lateral inversion. Not only the plane mirror, if right is appears to left, left is appears to right, that is called lateral inversion. What is the reason? So the main reason is when you can stand in front of a plane mirror, why right is appears to left, left is appears to right means, so our image formed inside the plane mirror or behind the plane mirror, it is turned through 180 degrees in vertical mode. Means, okay, image turned through 180 degrees. Image turned through 180 degrees in vertical mode. In vertical mode is nothing but, listen. Okay. So here like this one. So when I will be stand in front of a plane mirror, it is my right, it is the left. But in the image, okay, this right is appears to this side, this left is appears to this side. Is nothing but, what is that one? So means simply, okay, this right is, okay, in the image like this one. Means here right, it is the left. But when here right, left. Understanding or not? So now I will say that when I stand in front of the plane mirror, image formed inside the plane mirror turn how many degrees totally? 180 degrees in the vertical mode. Horizontal mode means like this one. Vertical means like normal mode. So 90 means Here, right, left, observing like this one. Right, left, both are the same. Right, left is nothing but how much one? So here you are observing that this is one. Okay. It is the right hand side, just it is the left, we can say that. This, okay, index finger we can say as a R4 finger, we can say as a, okay, right side. So the small finger we can say as a left side. So this is the object, we can say it is placed where in front of the plane mirror. Now we are observing that 90 degrees turn. How many degrees? 180 degrees from the initial. It is the initial position. For the initial position 90, 180. At the 180 you are observing that what will be happen? Okay, initially this side, which one is there? Index finger. This side, small finger. Now after 180, this side index finger, small finger. Other side index finger is nothing but, so index finger and the small finger both are interchange the positions. That's why we can say very clearly. So lateral inversion is nothing but the right appears to left and vice versa. So at that time image will be turned through 180 degrees in vertical mode. Due to that reason our right is appears to left, left is appears to right. This is a brief idea about the lateral inversion.